Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're focusing on the verb achieve. This word means to successfully reach a goal. It's all about making something happen through effort, skill, or persistence. When we talk about achieve, we're often referring to reaching something we've worked hard for. Whether it's a big career milestone, a fitness goal, or mastering a new skill, achieving these goals requires dedication and hard work. For example, you might say, she worked hard to achieve her dream of becoming a doctor, or, after months of practice, he finally achieved his goal of running a marathon. Some synonyms for achieve include accomplish, attain, and realize. Let's look at these in sentences to see how they carry similar meanings. For instance, she managed to accomplish all her tasks by the end of the day. Or, he set a goal to become fluent in Spanish, and after 2 years, he was able to attain it. And finally, through determination and patience, they were able to realize their vision of opening a restaurant. Each of these words shares that sense of reaching a goal, but with slight variations in tone. On the flip side, let's consider some antonyms like fail, give up, and miss. These words highlight the opposite of achieve by suggesting that a goal was not reached. For example, he tried to make it to the top of the mountain but had to give up halfway due to the weather, or, despite their efforts, the team failed to win the championship. These words show a lack of success or completion in reaching the goal. In daily life, we can use achieve in many ways, especially when celebrating accomplishments or setting future goals. You might hear someone say, "I'm so happy I was able to achieve my personal best of the race," or, "She's working hard to achieve success in her career." It's a versatile word that keeps us motivated and focused on reaching for something higher. To wrap up, achieve is a powerful word that reminds us of the value of effort and dedication. It's about setting goals and putting in the work to reach them. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. And here's a little challenge for you. Use achieve in your own sentence and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with.